So I got this, it's a vintage, probably vintage, magnetic bobby pin cup. And it says Wisconsin. And cute. Probably oh yeah, magnetic, so probably don't have a cloth, just that way. So cute.